Assam State bra amikhan afsos khobor pai thake asapti Dima Hasao District Meghalaya border area ti Red Hole coal mine khundi thakya Monday January 6 tarik worker nojon phitote phachi jaina rescue operation continue kri loi ase aro aji phujor ekjon laga lash pai jaina alak 8 jon laga fisar thakya khobor di ase reported rescue operation to Navy National Disaster Response Force NDRF aro army milaina operation rakha ase aro 8 jon workers locate kuribole koshish kuri thakya khobor di ase aro sources hesabti heavy rainfall issue karni Red Hole Pitor flood hoja issue miti workers nojon phachi jaise ko ase hatsa upote Assam Chief Minister Dr. Himanta Biswa Sharma brave family khanki address kuri digena illegal mining activity karni inika hatsa lok pa thaka upote concerned authority khan to investigation kuria ase aro operation team khan to 48 hours kanda kuria cheti ekjon laga lash paina alak 8 jon laga bisar thakya viewers khan je khobor an dia ase khoborte abu mithatu vice president of Athletic Federation of India appoint kulo shekoina official confirmation pa thakya opoti dangur khushi aro congratulation kuri dia ase itu prestigious achievement pa thakya to dedication vision aro commitment development of Nagaland sports aro state bahar kam kurgena aha oporte pailoi ase aro tai laga leadership under the Athletic Society of India te dangur changes anibole parbo hoina biswas dangur rakhi dia ase hotai din across country criminal activity hoina report pa thakya sabti Delhi city bra love affairs suspected karni nijor laga maki murai digina room phitote katibole rakhilo apseti maki laga sathi affairs suspected kuri thakya gipi murai dibole plan kuri thakse ulipi police khan arrest kulo shekoina khobor pailoi ase Delhi Deputy Commissioner of Police Ankit Chauhan reporti 26 years old Deepika Chauhan laga lash dead body to Bishna laga box phitote Friday din southwest Delhi Jankipur bra recover kurgena napuchibo karni white tebra cover kurgena thakse koi dia ase investigation te jani partu Deepika Chauhan toli spati workers ekta ase aro tai popular bike taxi app motorcycle rider Darrash logo sati kurgena mudu addiction karni hotai poisa khai digena Deepika toli nijor poisa bra gor choli thakya jani pailo shiko ase investigation oporte police khan reveal kura sabti accused mota to December 29 ja salbra Deepika murai disha aro polaija police khan Amritsar ti trace kurgena Monday dinbra arrest kulusha aro huta huti kura damti Delhi bra tai wapas ai thakya tu suspected lover murai dibole plan aro Deepika laga lash katigena phelai dibole program kuri thakse ulipi murder hatsa noha aketi thori loina jail kurlo shiko ase